Want to change your iPhone wallpaper with a single tap? Here's how. Long press on an empty space on your lock screen. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Select Photo Shuffle from the options on top. Change the shuffle frequency to On Tap. Choose to use featured photos, albums, or select pictures manually. Pick your photos, then tap Add. Adjust if needed. Confirm by tapping Add again. Choose Set as Wallpaper Pair or customize the home screen. Enjoy your new setup. Tap your lock or home screen to shuffle wallpapers. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more simple, useful tips.